Hello everyone, welcome to Techno Herald Online. Today we are going to start our lesson 2. In lesson 2 we will study about the coordinate system. In this chapter we will study about the orthogonal and the non-orthogonal coordinate system. Then in orthogonal coordinate system we will study about the Cartesian coordinate system, cylindrical coordinate system and spherical coordinate system. At last we will study about the transformation of the quantities from one coordinate system to the another coordinate system. There are lots of quantities that vary in space and with respect to the time. So in order to describe the spatial variation of these quantities, we need to define each and every point present in a space in a very unique way, in a very suitable way. Suppose that a given problem consists of a cylindrical symmetry, or any other given problem consists of a spherical symmetry. So, which of the coordinate system is used for a particular application or a particular problem, that is being decided by what the symmetry do we have. Okay, so in order to define the every point in a suitable way and in order to solve any problem in the easiest way, we have the two type of the coordinate system. So first one is what we are discussing here, coordinate system. Coordinate system. Okay. So there are two type of the coordinate system. First one is orthogonal coordinate system. Okay. And the second one is non-orthogonal coordinate system. So what are orthogonal coordinate system? The coordinate system in which the axes are mutually perpendicular to each other, such coordinate system is nothing but the orthogonal coordinate system. So इसमें क्या है हमारा, in orthogonal coordinate system axes are mutually perpendicular to each other. Okay. And in non-orthogonal coordinate system, unlike the orthogonal coordinate system, axes will not be perpendicular to each other. That is why we are calling it a non-orthogonal coordinate system. So this is the basic difference between these two coordinate systems. इसमें क्या है? Axes will not be mutually perpendicular to each other. Axes will not be mutually perpendicular to each other. That is why we are calling it a non-orthogonal coordinate system. Okay. So the concepts of the non-orthogonal coordinate system are beyond our course. So we will not discuss the non-orthogonal coordinate system. We will mainly focus on the orthogonal coordinate system. So there are various types of the orthogonal coordinate system. One of the orthogonal coordinate system we are studying from since our childhood, that is the rectangular or the Cartesian coordinate system. We already know about the x-axis, y-axis and the z-axis. That is the conventional, or you can say that this is the most basic coordinate system that we deal with. Other type of the orthogonal coordinate system are the cylindrical coordinate system, spherical coordinate system, paraboloidal coordinate system, conical coordinate system, and the many other orthogonal coordinate system. But we mainly keep our focus on the Cartesian or the rectangular coordinate system, second one is the cylindrical coordinate system, and the third one is the spherical coordinate system. The orthogonal coordinate system that we are going to discuss in the next topics are, first one is Cartesian or rectangular. Okay, Cartesian or rectangular coordinate system. Okay, second one is cylindrical coordinate system. Third one is spherical coordinate system. Okay, cylindrical coordinate system are used where we have the cylindrical symmetry given in the problem.